Hi, I'm Susan Yamamoto, and I run the Normative Ethics and Law Lab at Campion College. I got my PhD from Carleton in their experimental forensic psychology program. My research applies social cognitive theory to jury decision-making. At NEL, our goal is to better understand why people want to punish others, especially in the context of the insanity defense and the death penalty. I also look at how social identities factor into such decisions. More generally, though, I'm interested in any sort of way that someone can be marginalized in the courtroom due to gender, race, cultural differences, mental disorder, or any other social group. To give you an example of what a typical experiment looks like, we usually create a trial transcript based off of a real case and see whether mock juror verdict decisions differ as a function of some variable of interest, like, say, a defendant's gender. If there is a difference, then that tells us we need to work toward an intervention to reduce bias, for example, through expert testimony or lawyers' arguments. I have another program of research that looks at how people make social categorizations in the courtroom. Specifically, how do jurors perceive biracial defendants? And do traditional bias intervention strategies work for that social group? The courtroom tends to mirror all the prejudice lurking in society, and so the jury room is a perfect little microcosm in which to observe these issues. So if you're interested in better understanding stereotypes, prejudice, and discrimination in an applied and consequential setting, then check out my website for a list of ongoing projects.